I got my mandolin kit. It's in the box, Riley. There's a book. Ah, cool stuff. Got tips on cutting and instructions and whatever. This must be a neck. Long box. Yep, threaded, nutted, everything. Ugly headstock shape. It's actually, I feel it's a little thicker than my neck on mine, like the profile, so that's cool. This is hardware and stuff. Pick guard. It's pre-wired with the, oh, that's nice, little connectors on it. They didn't have that in the picture. That was a complaint. And then I got a cable, jacks, bridge, tuners, strings, tools, I guess, strap buttons and whatnot. And then, hey, the body. Pretty good.
Nice.
It's real smooth. That's pre-sunk. Yeah, that's nice. Pre-drilled everything, even the pick guard holes. Everything should line up nice. Yeah. Mandolin. I'm stoked. It's actually a lot bigger.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, the neck, I don't know. Basically the same. The frets are larger than this one. The body is way bigger though, which makes this look, I don't know, it looks different, you know? With the smaller neck versus the body, it looks cool. But yeah.
Nice.
Ta-da!